When you're thinking about new floors in your home, inspiration can come from everywhere. So many colors, so many styles. How are you going to turn those dreams into reality? Stop by your local Carpet One Floor and Home and connect one-on-one with an expert who really knows floors. You'll find exclusive brands, the widest selection, and the beautiful guarantee. Plus, our universal warranty system makes choosing easier, so shopping for a new floor is simply better. From hardwood and laminate to carpet and tile, our independent stores work together to get the best prices and bring those savings to you. We'll show you the possibilities and help you find just the right floor for your home for less than you'd think. Carpet One. From inspiration to installation, we've got you covered.